viewers to another episode on ASUG 12 exams. So in this episode we continue looking at the November 2022 Science Paper 2. So in the previous 7 episodes we covered section A and question 1 through 3. So this episode focuses on question B4. B4 reads, salts are important substances that have main uses. Describe how a fairly dry sample of lead sulphate can be prepared from aqueous sodium sulphate and a soluble compound of lead in the laboratory. So we want to obtain a fairly dry sample of lead 2 sulphate prepared from aqueous sodium sulphate and a soluble compound of lead in the laboratory. So the first question that we need to ask ourselves is, what are soluble compound of lead in the laboratory? So when you look at the soluble compound of lead, which should be in this case a salt, there is only one lead salt which is soluble in water, and this is lead nitrate. So the solution must contain nitrate or lead nitrate, which we need to use as the other soluble compound. So what is going to happen in this case is we are going to react, number 1, get lead nitrate. So lead nitrate, which is in the aqueous form, then we react it with sodium sulphate, which is also in the aqueous form. Then when we react these two, we are going to get the lead sulphate, which is a precipitate or solid. Then when we react these two, the other product will be sodium nitrate, which will be aqueous solution. So it will be in the aqueous solution. So what is happening in this case is we are getting double displacement reaction. That is the reaction that we are getting. So this is the first step. So identify this soluble compound, which is lead nitrate, as the only soluble salt of lead. Then once you do that, the next step is to remove the precipitate of lead sulphate. So the next step is remove the precipitate of lead sulphate. So this lead sulphate, which is in the solid, you remove it by separation technique known as filtration. So you filter it and then you wash it. So wash it with distilled water. After you wash it with distilled water, then you dry it in a warm environment such as a window sill or low oven, and dry it in warm window sill or low oven. Then you get the fairly dry sample lead sulphate. Then question B, suggest the name of another salt that can be prepared in the same way as lead sulphate. So there are a number of insoluble salts that you can prepare using the same method that we've used in this case. So again, you can use the nitrate salt of each of these compound, but the other one should be a sulphate salt using double displacement. So number 1, you can prepare this one using silver chloride. It's also insoluble. Then you can also do the same for lead 2 chloride. You can also do the same for calcium sulphate. So you can choose any of these. Then also have barium sulphate. All these are insoluble salts, but you need to use the soluble and the soluble, then you mix them using double displacement, such that the other one will have the soluble sulphate, such as a sodium sulphate, then the other one you can use the nitrate of it, like silver nitrate or lead nitrate. So in this case maybe you can use chloride, sodium chloride, but so that you get these salts. So this is how you answer this question to get the 5 marks. Remember, here we are just required to give 1, but I've given you a number of them so that it's easier for you to remember. So thank you for joining me in this episode. Please join me in the next episode as we look at question B5. Thank you viewers for watching this episode. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider liking, and also if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. By liking, subscribing and sharing, you are going to help us improve our visibility. A simple like from you makes a big difference. So once you subscribe to our channel and go to our channel, we discover that we've got so much content. So we've got mathematics based revision questions, we've got physics, we've got chemistry, then we've got also topic based section for all the subjects, and this is the best section for you if you're having any challenges in any particular topic.